Self-hypnosis is a fascinating topic because the idea is you can essentially put yourself into a trance and benefit from all the benefits that hypnosis can offer. I myself have used it many times, both for when I was in situations where I wanted to more deeply integrate an idea. I would put myself in a trance to allow it to influence my subconscious. So, for example, I was working with a coach who actually was not a trained hypnotist himself, but I had the skill to be able to kind of put myself more in an inward focused state and allow the words to sort of wash over me and allow it to go more deeply into what was being discussed. In general, I talk a lot about how hypnosis is essentially relaxation is a skill that you can get better at. And self hypnosis is basically a practicing of that skill. It's a practice of learning how to alter your state of consciousness and to kind of learn through doing that your mind can be like different modes. It is like the analyzing, doing mode, and there's almost more of a state of flow. And you can learn to get better and better at shifting your mindset. At the same time, self hypnosis does have some limitations, specifically when you're trying to go through some sort of journey, work through a problem or anything like that. It can be a little bit difficult to do it all on your own because even if you're in a state of trance, the way I describe trance is almost like you're a passenger along for the ride. You're letting one thing unfold after the other. And so when you're trying to solve a problem, there's almost like two different roles going on. One is trying to survey the landscape, analyze what the best way to go is, and the other one is kind of along for the ride. And that's one of the benefits of working with another person is that they essentially are taking that role of guide. Now, of course, you can still decide yes, no, or come up with an alternative, but not having to worry about the big picture, the lay of the land, exactly where you're going, and to just be along for the ride, as it were, makes the hypnosis able to go a lot more deep. So if part of your mind is still analyzing what to do, and the other one is trying to kind of deeply relax, it's almost like contradictory forces at play. And that's oftentimes the challenge of navigating a hypnosis session while in a state of hypnosis. And so that's the benefit where self-hypnosis can take you quite far, especially if you have a recording that's taking you on a specific journey that can also help. But when it comes to navigating more complex situations, that's where having somebody else to support you can A, allow you to feel more safe, and B, help you go even deeper into trance in a place where you might not be able to take yourself because of that dual nature of going through a journey and being relaxed at the same time.